Hi everyone, Jaynine here. I am looking forward to working with you all over the next 3 weeks and learning something new. This is one of my sidekicks here. It's a feral cat that has been with me forever and we just call it Kitty. Miss Savannah, my blue pit's over here sleeping. I teach for several schools and I enjoy it. I'm also a business owner. If I didn't teach at night, I would never have a reason to leave my house other than to go to the beach. A little bit about me. I'm a retired Marine. I retired in 2002 and I stayed here. I'm from Iowa. I don't like cold weather. I like it warm. I like the beach, so here I am. And I really enjoy, again, teaching. I teach at New Bern, which is predominantly veterans, I'd say, in most of my courses. I teach with Campbell University here at Camp Lejeune, which is, again, I would say 98% veterans in my classes. And I teach with the community college, and again, a lot of veterans. I teach a lot of the online with the community college, and the veterans are deployed. And then I'm also with Bryant Stratton, and that's strictly online. But I teach all levels of psychology. I love it. And I think I do well with the veterans because I'm a veteran and I understand the demands of family, work, all of those things. I did my undergrad with Park University when I was stationed at the Pentagon and working on the personal staff for the Secretary of the Navy. So that was no easy thing to do, but I enjoyed it. That was my outlet. I was a single mom, busy. So I get that and understand what our students or my students are dealing with when they're juggling everything in these 8-week courses. I never took a 16-week course in my life. I have taught them and I find them very painful. I like the 8-week. I wanted to just show the format I'm using to prepare this is called Screencast-O-Matic. And the reason I like it, I use it all the time. I can either do just the video, I can do just a screen, and I do that early morning when I don't feel like getting dressed and putting on makeup, or like in this case, I can show both my screen and you can see me, and students really seem to like that. And I just pulled up a syllabus that I have that I'm preparing for tomorrow night's class. But Screencast-O-Matic has a free version, and with that it has their little logo on the bottom of the videos you create. The videos can either be private, you can upload them if they're, I believe it's 15 minutes or less, to Screencast-O-Matic. If they're longer than that, you have to take them over to YouTube. I love using YouTube in conjunction with Screencast-O-Matic. I have for every class I teach a YouTube playlist. So when you go find me on YouTube, Jaynine Howard, you'll see my business videos. And then for every psychology course I've ever taught, there is a separate playlist with videos that I've created plus videos I use to supplement my teaching. So my students know if they miss a class or want to rewatch something, they can go right there and find it. And I think that's very beneficial. I look forward to, I'm going to put on my glasses and figure out what else we're supposed to talk about here. I just look forward to figuring out and learning what you all are doing to make class exciting. I know we learned about Kahoot at the last convocation, and I've been using it. My students, I actually had one student look at me, he goes, "Why haven't we used this in previous classes?" And I was like, I just learned about it. So I'm looking forward to any new tools, things to make the studying for tests or just reviewing more fun, because my students are there from 5 to 10 p.m. They've worked all day. They're older. They probably haven't read the material. So I'm just really looking to see what you all are doing and how I can just keep improving what I do with my students, the delivery of things. But again, this is Screencast-O-Matic. I do use the paid version. I think it's $10 or $15 a year. And with that, there's no logo, and I think I can do longer videos. I usually say I'm not going to do long videos, and then I get on a topic and I break the rules on keeping them 3 minutes or under, or whatever the latest flavor of the rule is. But again, I'm Jaynine Howard. I look forward to being here. Again, this is Kitty. Savannah's over here snoring. And I'm here at Jacksonville, Camp Lejeune area. And I look forward to connecting with y'all. Bye-bye.